Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday, and look at it outside. Ew. I'm kind of hoping it gets a little bit lighter out, because actually I think we're going to go to the car show with my aunt. I'm excited. I asked my dad if we could invite my aunt to go with us today, and he said yeah. So, because I know she's still having a little bit of a hard time since my grandma passed away. The house was a lot emptier, so we figured we'd invite her and maybe go out to lunch, and she's going to bring Fritzy, and it's going to be fun. Yay. So hopefully it doesn't rain, because if it rains, we're not going to go. Ooh, it's been a bad weekend for Summerfest. Ugh. Well, plus I got my elephant ear. So we had a blast yesterday, parade. Hope you guys like that vlog. I'm uploading it right now. Yeah, the weekend review is up, and I was lazy Friday night, and it was just such a long day, and I've been going since 4 o'clock in the morning, so I didn't get it up until yesterday. So sorry guys, but the Friday vlog is up too, so sorry. But I hope you guys like Schnapps' social hour. He tolerated it. He did so well. And this little girl was just in love with him and was just bound and determined to make friends with him. So it was the cutest thing ever. And he was really warming up to her. So he made a buddy down there. It was cool. It was really awesome. I love having a puppy. So I ate breakfast already. Dad made me potato pancakes. Love it. They're delicious. My mom hates them, but I love them. I think they're delicious. So I'm just gonna wait, and hopefully it doesn't rain. Maybe watch some more Walking Dead. Got through 2 DVDs. Yeah, I think it's 8 episodes so far. Ugh, we've already lost 2 main characters, and I'm not that happy about that. But I'll be right back.
What are you doing? Oh, okay. What are you doing, goofers? Happy. What you got? Want to play with this? What you got? Oh no, there he goes. Alright guys, we're waiting for my aunt to get here, and then we're going to head downtown to go see the cars. So yeah. And I'm playing with Pooper. I'm playing with a Pooper. No, I already did yesterday. Huh? I had an elephant ear yesterday. Prove that.
I haven't had one in years.
Really? I have to have one every year.
So we'll have to come by and have one
today. Ooh, my cars, my cars.
Volkswagen?
Yes. I want the classic. Gotta have the engine in the trunk. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep.
This is a 71.
Dang. Yeah, that would really throw me off.
Or no, it's in the rear.
No, it's supposed to be in the rear.
Yeah.
It should be, yeah. Oh, so nice. Is my favorite, by all means. Really? Yeah.
It was beautiful.
Was it?
Oh, it was beautiful. I wanted to buy it.
Oh my good lord.
I went back to buy it, and
Oh my goodness.
Darwin bought it.
That is. What even is that thing? No. Okay.
For Transformers?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, goodness. There's the Great Dane, too. Oh, my goodness.
Slingshot.
Oh, really? Huh. Hi. Hi. Hi,
Fritzy. Hi.
Nice. It's nice. Yes, I saw that. I'm like, okay. Not my cup of tea. Okay. Really on that one? Yeah. Why is that even plastic, technically?
They were talking about the gas.
No, I know. GTO.
You know, it kills me. At one time, I was full parts off of these cars.
Really?
Oh, yeah. You go to the junkyard, just dig through them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We had a bunch of old cars going all the way back.
Gone.
I heard.
I know, I was looking at that. What is that? What even is that? Oh, good lord. What is that? Come on, say it. This one's your favorite. Is it really? It's a nice color. It's a nice color. I like it.
Green?
Well, just all souped up like that. Every time
Oh.
you see it, it's dark as the land side of
Oh my god. So it's a U car?
it. Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Oh. See, that's nice. It's a nice color too.
No, Mom likes Rockford, so that was Camaro.
Yeah.
Love that car.
Ugh. Yeah, they do this year. Last year it was kind of sad.
Oh, yeah. The original
Oh,
paint
look at
and
the-
everything, yeah.
Ooh. Oh. Oh goodness. Hi, baby.
Marvell had the 78 and the seats brown.
Oh, that's right, yeah. But I knew you had I love those guys. Those are pretty cool. One guy had James Dean in it.
Oh, okay. It's for the corn maze.
That's one of the old fire trucks. That's
Oh,
one of the
yeah.
old fire trucks.
That's
Remember you were
cool.
asking me, they got a website
Yeah.
now, but I can go fire truck.
That's cool though.
I don't know why.
Oh my god.
Until it had its mysterious accident.
Yeah. Somebody probably pull that one sideways. Car was racing when it dropped the ass in there.
You know the one that was I think I don't know what we were doing, 150, 160.
Well, we modified that clear, so it's 475 with the lower. He did a pretty good job at the ass in. I just found out about 75. And got up to about 190.
I know.
I had one of those too for about 5 minutes.
Why does that not surprise me at all?
We took that out and started playing in the sand with it.
Not
That's the first day.
shocking.
I'm like, flip it backwards.
I like that one. That one. I know, that's nice.
Always love those.
I know.
I'm not picking you up. No. I'm walking. Come on.
What, Mom?
Where are you little booty? I want to be picked up.
I know, right? Jeez. Holy crap.
Nice.
That is ridiculous.
Did you have a 305? I think.
I know. Nice. Oh, there you go. Yeah. No, I drove my truck today. My hot pink truck. So I officially want this truck. It is my colors. I want this truck. Ooh. Yeah. You are such a stinker. Ugh. Spoiled. Spoiled, spoiled.
So we want to look at the artsy craft too?
White. We told him where we were at.
No.
Colleton?
Don't touch me. I'm not that kind of girl.
No, this is that.
Oh, yeah. Alright guys, it's been a long day. Had a blast with my aunt and my dad going to the car show. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know you guys are going to see this beforehand because I just posted the videos, but the parade video is 2 parts because it was just so long and I really didn't want to cut anything. So parade video, it's parade time, is 2 parts. And this one, I'm not sure how much footage I got, but it might be 2 parts. We'll see. But just all the cars were so nice, I couldn't skip anything. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Thank you for watching. For all my new followers, hi, my name's Amber, and this is my everyday life. Also, as usual, please subscribe, press the like button at the bottom, and I really want to say good night, guys. Have a great night. Let's start the new week.